In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an engine air filter on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located in the engine bay right up top. Let's get started. Undo both clamps for the air box. Remove the cap and remove the air filter. Install the new air filter, push it in, and you'll feel it lock in. Make sure your breather boot goes on the bottom. Install the cap, line up the two arrows, and lock down your clamps. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.